Hi there. Do you ever worry about how you can get a nourishing, well-balanced meal that the whole family will enjoy? Well, my name's Helen Harvey. I'm a registered dietitian and I'm also a busy mom. So I know what it feels like whenever you don't want to go to extravagant lengths to cook an elaborate meal. You just want something quick, easy, simple that everyone is going to eat and enjoy. Well, in this video, I'm gonna let you see the insides of my kitchen and the workings of my kitchen. And I'm gonna show you a meal that I make. It's kind of a cross between a bolognese and a paella, because you can use it you do it with either pasta or rice. I tend to mix it up, just whatever I haven't done recently. And I say it's one pot meal. I do use another pot just to cook the rice separately initially. But I am a big fan of minimizing the washing up by using one main pot for most of the cooking. So I hope you find this useful. These are my basic starting ingredients. Just to be aware, I did not actually use the asparagus. I was planning to, but I decided not to. So going left from right, we have our mincemeat, which is pure ground venison that I'm using in this case. We've got white basmati rice, we've got an onion that I started with, we have garlic, we have ginger, we have peppers, a couple of different colours in there, and then I like to bulk it up a little bit with some mixed beans, and there's some baked beans in there as well. The sauce is made up from just tomatoes passata that you buy very cheaply, easily in the shops. That's what I base. A lot of my different sauces will be based around that, and then adding in herbs and peppers then per taste. And as everyone likes it in the family. So I start by chopping my my onions. So I'm glad I didn't chop my finger in this case, but I do regularly cut my finger while doing this. And you can see that my little helper is here. It's so important to get kids involved with cooking from an early age. My daughter would rather stand beside me while I'm cooking rather than watch Peppa Pig, and she is quite a big fan of Peppa Pig. So she's started now getting to the point where she likes to actually help. Could help with quotation marks. She can actually hold the knife, as she'll see in a moment. Obviously with little fingers well out of the way, and with mommy very closely supervising. But getting kids actually involved with cooking not only exposes them to the different types of foods, but they're learning the names of these foods. This is the kind of nutrition that kids need. It's not knowing what's healthy, what's not healthy, what's nutritious, what's bad foods or unhealthy foods. Kids just they need to know what foods are. They need to know what their names are. They need to know what they feel like, what they look like inside when you chop them up. You know what happens when you peel off the garlic skin. My daughter is very keen here to start with the peppers, as you can see. She's already peeled some of the garlic for me. And this is how they learn, this is how they become exposed to fruits and vegetables as well. It's a good tactic to use if your kid doesn't like vegetables, because they become exposed to them, they learn about them and they become comfortable around them, and they're not uncomfortable, they're not scared of them in any way. My daughter is never pressurised to eat anything that she doesn't want to eat. So we're chopping our pepper here now. We have a couple of pigs. We're very lucky to have a bit of land. We have a couple of pigs, and we're just going to put our little scrap bits into our pig bucket, which Sasha misunderstands we're putting all of it in, so I have to save that quickly. So as you can see, Sasha's starting to learn what are the parts of the vegetables that we eat and what parts do we tend to throw away. Yeah, and this is me teaching her how to use a knife. She's very keen to do this. She does, like any small child, get bored quite easily, so it only takes a few seconds and she gives it back to me. This will give you a bit of an idea as to the size of the size I cut the vegetables to for this age. I used a baby-led weaning approach with Sasha, so she's very used to eating. I would have given her a full-length slice of pepper before, but now I just chop them into small chops like you would in putting into any bolognese meal. So I cook my rice initially separately up until it's about 70-80% cooked, and then what I'll do is I'll drain away the water and I will add that then into the Dutch oven with the other ingredients. I find that way then the rice continues to cook and absorbs some more of the moisture from the other pot. It just makes it a nice consistency and not too watery. And this is then everything added into the one pot, and it's basically done once the rice is fully cooked. So there you have it, a healthy, nutritious, well-balanced meal. Quick and easy and simple, again, everyone involved in the cooking process. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link to the full blog post that has the full ingredients list and the full cooking method if you want all the details as to how to cook this meal at home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you again soon.